Welcome MrYouWho, and here again. Great to have you back with us today. Today I'm really excited to be reviewing the Banaok Microphone, as seen here. You see, MrYouWho loves to be the center of attention, as you guys have probably guessed. And the idea of having a microphone that I can use to put my voice out louder, but also sing my favorite karaoke songs, really excited me. So today we're going to be going and taking a look at the Banaok Karaoke Microphone. I'm going to be unboxing it to show you the features come with it. We're going to be testing it out so you can test out the sound, the quality. We're going to be playing some music as well so you can hear how it sounds. You're going to be really excited. Actually, let me show you now. So here's the microphone just now. I'm going to turn it on. Hold down the button there to turn it on. As you can see, it's going to come on now. I'm going to show you guys how it sounds. So here we are. There's a speaker there. So hello, can you hear me? It's Sandy calling from MrYouWho. Great to have you back with us for another episode of MrYouWho. So as you can see, that's a microphone. Sounds really loud. It sounds really good. I'm really going to enjoy loving in this video. So anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you think about the video. And let's jump in and do the Banaok Karaoke Microphone here at MrYouWho. So here we're having a look at the Banoak Ultimate Singing Microphone. Now as you can see, here's a box. Now it does look really, really pretty. There's different colors on there. A bit more about the functions that comes with it. So I guess you guys are really excited to see how the actual microphone looks. So we open up the box and here's the case. Now look at that. What a lovely case. Very, very good quality. Premium feel. It looks really nice. See, there it is there. Now you can also, if you want to go and hold on to something with that, like a bag or something, or even a belt, you can actually hold the microphone in the case. It's lovely. Now, what else comes in here? Now, here's also the instruction guide too. Put that to the side, so you can actually look at how to use the microphone. We'll come back to that shortly, because I know you guys are excited to see what comes in the microphone. So, if we go in here and open up the box, and have a look. And here is the microphone. Now, as you can see, I've got a black one to use. Here it is here. So, there's the microphone there. Now again, it feels really good quality, really sturdy, which shows that the quality parts they've actually used in it feels really, really nice. Now here's the microphone. Now as you can see, you've got you can turn it on there. Let's do it now actually. Hold down the button, turns it on. You've got volume, so it turns up the volume of your voice, turns up the echo, so people can hear you, and you can also turn up the music. Now I'll show you in a moment how to actually pair the music with the microphone, so you can see how that works. Now on the back here, you've got the speaker. Now here's the speaker where the actual sound comes out of. So when you're singing, people can hear you with the music. You can also change the mode there by pressing that button. You can change tracks there and also pause through that button as well. But there's the microphone there. Now it feels just like you would get with a studio sound microphone. Feels very, very professional. There's a handle as well. You see it grips about that far with my hand too. Which is really, really good. I'm very surprised actually with the price you pay for this on Amazon, which we got this from. The actual quality is really, really fantastic. It really is beautiful. Just going to pop that down there for a minute. Hopefully it won't roll around. And have a look at what else comes in the case. So you have your charging cable here, which you can use to charge in the microphone here. So you just see you can use to charge. You can also add headphones if you wish, so you can listen to it. You've got your memory card there too, which you can use. So I'll go a bit closer. And that's where you can use to charge it through a cable. So I'll go a bit closer there. So there you can charge it. So it comes with a lot of cool features. And there's a charging cable as well, just as we showed you. Here's a bit more with the covers for it. And yeah, so you get the ability to also be able to record yourself when you're singing too, which is good. Any budding musicians out there? So there's a bit more about the Bluetooth, how to connect to your phone, or you can connect through the 3.5mm cord. We're going to go now and show you how easy it is to actually set the microphone up. But as you can see, what a beautiful looking microphone. It really is stunning. Well, how easy is the Banaok Karaoke Microphone to set up? Well, it's quite easy. You go through and press the middle button there, which turns it on. You know it's come on when it goes beep, beep, beep. You then go to your phone and you select, see it connected. You go to your phone and select the 37 karaoke microphone on there. It connects automatically. What that means now is you are now connected, so you can actually play music from your phone to the microphone. Now I'm going to show you guys how loud it is. So I'm going to talk to the microphone now. So can you guys hear how loud that is? Can you hear how loud that is? So you have your voice just off the microphone when you're doing it, so you can hear it. But as you can see, it sounds really, really good. Now it's a 6-watt speaker that comes out of it as well, which means the sound does really pump out of it. You can go and put echo on there as well. So if you can hear the echo, sounds really good. You can also turn the echo down, of course. You can go and change different tracks as well. So I'm going to go and put on some music now so you can hear how it plays. I'm going to go sing to the music now. Again, this is from YouTube Studio because we can't do copyrights and music. So let's try this one. Let's turn the music up. So as you can see, so the speaker really kicks out some music, as you can see. I don't know what this song is actually. So you can sing. So if you're not going to turn it down, now you can download apps as well, so you can have the karaoke noise going in the background. But see if you can hear how now the wave was there. The wave was there. You see, I'm probably not the best singer in the world. You know what? The karaoke mic's all about having fun. You can make up different sounds, different noises. Rocking around in the house, listening to the music, here I go, sounds really good, isn't it nice? My name's Chicken, and that's my song. MrYouWho was to hear, sung all day, and got right there. So there you go, so there's an example of my glorious singing. I hope you guys liked it. So you can even get 2 of these to pair up together, which is really exciting, so you can start to mix with other people and have different sounds. But the sound box out there really does pump out the music. Now, you can use the USB-C cord to go and record the songs as well, so you can actually have other people listening to you. Sounds really, really good. Okay, so imagine having this sound and being able to serenade that sweet loved one of yours, perhaps, by using some of the music. So let's have a look now. So here we go. So you can be romantic, can't you? Now, for any of you that don't want to hear my singing, I suggest you fast forward through this part because I'm going to go on cue. My name was MrYouWho. I had a YouTube channel. It was a great YouTube channel, and that's where I wanted to go, in my YouTube channel. So as you can see, soothing sounds, but as you can see, the actual microphone's really, really good. It doesn't have too loud a volume, so if you want to go and use it like at a music hall, you wouldn't be able to do it, but the lounge room at home sounds really, really good. So let's go and look at some other music to play. How about we go a bit of, try and do a bit of rock and do a something more sound, just see how it sounds again, just to test it out. So here's a rock sound. Now I've got no idea how I'm going to sing to this because, as I said, we can't use copyrighted music. But we can do like a MrYouWho song again. My name is MrYouWho. This is my YouTube channel. Hope you like to listen to it as we go down the YouTube channel. So you can see already I'm loving the music, loving how it listens to. Now if you want to reduce it down as well, you can hear my voice through the microphone, or you can turn it back up, or you can do the echo as well. Echo, I'm not sure how much you'd use that, but it doesn't matter. But there you go. So there's the microphone, and back to the music. So if you turn it down though, it was in MrYouWho's house that MrYouWho did this channel. MrYouWho, MrYouWho. Actually makes me start thinking I might do my own MrYouWho recording sound, but as you can see, it's a really good microphone. It's actually a heap of fun. So if you want to do this for like a Christmas present, birthday present, special gift, it's really good. And actually the price point's really, really cheap as well. And of course, got links down below. But hope you enjoy seeing my singing. If you guys want me to do any more MrYouWho songs, make sure you reach out because I'm sure I can do them for you. But yeah, that's a bit of MrYouWho karaoke. So there you go. Well, there was a Banoak karaoke microphone. Now, I hope you guys really enjoyed seeing it. I do apologise if my karaoke voice was a little bit off. I'm not a professional singer. That being said though, MrYouWho has always thought about maybe expanding into different areas, so you never know. Make sure if you put in like or comments if you liked my singing. And again, sorry we couldn't play any normal songs because YouTube does have copyright of any famous or popular music that goes on. But as you can see, beautiful microphone. 6-watt speaker. It's got about 5 to 10 hours of actually singing in it. Takes about 2 hours to charge. It really is good, and I love the things like different features such as the echo. You can hear on there. I love the fact that you can take the echo off. You can put the music on there. Sounds really good. Great microphone, and it's great for if you want to use it for home, have some karaoke nights at home. It's a lot of fun. And as you can see there is a microphone again. Great features, great quality, good size as well. And you know what? It feels great quality. You guys are going to enjoy it. So anyway, make sure you guys let me know what you think of Banoak karaoke microphone. There's going to be links to purchase below to buy it. It could be a really good Christmas present with Christmas coming up. But yeah, what I might do now is just sing you a farewell MrYouWho song. So let me sing you a song. Farewell from MrYouWho. Thank you for watching us this channel. Thank you for being here at MrYouWho. We've enjoyed having you here today at MrYouWho. MrYouWho. Thank you for watching us here at MrYouWho. Thanks for watching us here at MrYouWho. Thanks for watching us